Good morning, South Florida. Thank you for tuning in online. The latest update just came in of Hurricane Matthew is strengthening this morning and getting better organized. The latest update with winds of 105 miles per hour tracking west-southwest at 14 miles per hour, and the pressure is dropping 971 millibars, and that is a good indication that it's getting stronger already. So the latest forecast track takes it westward as a Category 3 hurricane by this weekend, then making a sharp turn to the north, making landfall near Jamaica as a Category 3 hurricane, and by Tuesday into Wednesday we'll be making landfall once again by Cuba as a Category 2 hurricane and into the Caribbean of the Bahama Islands. And of course, we're not in the cone just yet, but something we will watch closely.